Hi class, welcome to lesson 11, vocabulary. So here are the words we have this week. This first word is beverage. Beverage. This is something that you drink, so the lemonade is a beverage. This next one is pronounced destiny. Destiny. Again, the word is destiny. Destiny means something that you are meant to do. So, for example, someone might say, I have a destiny to run my own business. It basically, what is your future? The third word here is hypothesis. Hypothesis. So hypothesis is a guess. A lot of times they make hypotheses or a hypothesis in science. I am going to do this experiment and I guess that my cake will rise when I put yeast into it. The fourth word is partnering. Partnering is like a business partner when you work with someone. Partnering. The last word is pronounced scenario. Scenario is a situation. A lot of times we'll come up with fake scenarios. If he asks me to marry him, I will say yes. So that's what a lot we're doing this week is we're coming up with scenarios of how much the lemonade will cost per cup. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Bye.